Good evening, Polly, and hello everyone. Thanks for having me here, and thank you, Polly, for inviting me to be a guest at your virtual book launch. I'm sure you're talking about it already, as that's what this is in aid of, but be sure to get your copy of The Taxidermist Lover soon. It's fantastic, weird, cool, gripping, and yeah, all those things. So, I've been asked to perform a song for you here. This is something that's quite appropriate, I think. This is a song of mine called Animals, as requested by Polly. Do check out my music online, and yeah, here we go. I see animals inside the people, and I see people inside the animals. Yeah, people inside, people hide inside. Don't think it's dogs who need the leads. Don't think it's us, no, that need to bleed. We're humans too, being ugly things to view. And it's time to question, oh yeah, what humans really do. And I see animals inside the people, and I see people, yes I do, inside the animals. Yeah, people inside. Say people hide inside. There'll come a time, there'll be no trees. There'll come a time you cannot swim in the sea, nor breathe the air. Say, do you even care? Yeah. Stand up if you're listening. Ooh yeah, said stand up if you dare. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Yeah, stand up. Yeah, stand up if you dare. Said stand up if you care. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Says this land is ours by right? Who says it's fair to send us to fight this disease called war? I can't take it anymore, no. Spread the love, yeah, 'cause nature's not our home. One more time, here we go, everyone, for Polly. And I see animals inside the people, and I see people inside the animals. Yeah, people inside. I said people hide inside. Well, alright. Sometimes these thoughts, they just crawl around my mind. Yeah. Cool. Have a great night. Cheers, Polly. And thanks, everyone. Take care. See you after this COVID madness.